Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The Canadian Super Scooper is an essential firefighting aircraft designed to combat wildfires with efficiency and precision. Its distinctive front design features a high wing configuration and a streamlined fuselage, optimized for stability and maneuverability during low-altitude water scooping operations. The aircraft's reinforced hull allows it to skim across lakes and rivers, collecting thousands of liters of water in seconds. Its bright yellow and red livery ensures high visibility, making it easily identifiable during firefighting missions. Inside the cockpit, the Super Scooper is equipped with advanced avionics, providing pilots with real-time navigation, weather tracking, and fire mapping capabilities. The ergonomic controls and digital display systems enhance situational awareness, allowing for precise water drops over active fire zones. Crew members benefit from a spacious and functional interior, designed to minimize fatigue during extended operations. The aircraft's communication systems ensure seamless coordination with ground firefighting teams, improving overall mission effectiveness. Under the hood, the Super Scooper is powered by twin turboprop engines, delivering the thrust and reliability needed for demanding aerial firefighting. These high-performance engines enable quick takeoff, rapid water collection, and controlled low-speed flight for accurate drops. The aircraft's scooping system is designed for efficiency, allowing it to fill its tanks within seconds without the need to land. With a high-capacity water tank and a specialized drop system, the Super Scooper can strategically release water or fire retardant, covering large areas with precision. The Canadian Super Scooper remains a crucial asset in wildfire suppression, capable of operating in rugged environments and extreme conditions. Its combination of durability, agility, and advanced firefighting technology makes it one of the most effective aerial firefighting aircraft in the world. As wildfires continue to pose challenges, the Super Scooper stands as a vital tool in protecting communities and natural landscapes. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.